y'all? It's your girl Dominique. Welcome to Dom Budgets. If you're regular, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you like. Today I'm doing a cash stuffing video of $445. So it's gonna be probably a quick cash stuffing video. So we're just going to start off with my cash wallet, my personal wallet. I'm just gonna take these cards out real quick. I had some money left in personal. I was thinking about putting this towards a credit card. I'm just going to take this out because I'm sure some of this could probably go towards that, which was probably some personal spending. So personal is going to get 60, so that's 3 20s. 1, 2, 3. And I'm getting my nails done, y'all. I didn't have to sit for like probably over a month now. My nail tech, she went on vacation and I just waited for her to come back. So I'm going to get some Christmas nails. Can't wait for that. Groceries is going to get 80, so that's 4 20s. 1, 20, 40, 60, 80. Gas, I had money left in here. I actually have to get my car fixed. And they just filled my gas tank up for me, so that left me with 40 left. And I'm keeping this in here, so I'm going to only add 35. And it's going to be a 20, a 10, and a 5. So that's going to be 20, 40, 60, 70, 75. Now, I normally put like, I think 70 in here since gas has went down a little bit. So that's a plus. Toiletries is getting nothing. Wash day, I'm going to add this to a credit card too because I use a credit card to wash. Tides, let me go ahead and take this out. Well, I'm actually going to add 5, just $5 to that. So that's 1 to 5. Tides is going to get 40, so that's 2 20s. Going out to nothing. Nails. Ugh, I done messed up. I hate when I do that. Nails supposed to get 60. So I will go back and add that. So for now, we're going to leave that blank. I don't understand how I do that. But anyway, moving on to our sinking funds wallet. Emergency funds. It's going to get 50. What's today? 16th. Okay. It's going to total out to 400, and that's going to get 2 20s and a 10. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 200, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So that's 400. Car maintenance. I had to get some things fixed on my car, so that took everything, plus a little bit of some. So I'm going to cross that out. And I'm going to add 50. So that's $50. That's 2 20s and a 10. So we're having to start back over with this. But I'm so glad I had the funds, y'all. Only had to pull, I think it was like 50 from my cash tips just to pay that bill. So it's all, y'all, it's worth the investment to just do a sinking funds. It really is. Especially for emergencies and pop-up expenses. So medical is going to get just 15. I believe I took some money out. I did. Yep, 43. Okay. 43 plus 15, that's 58. And that's going to get a 10 and a 5. So this should be 58. $20, $40, $50, $55, $56, $57, $58. Perfect. Give this video a thumbs up if y'all are ready for Christmas. It's next weekend. I still have some shopping to do. I'm a late shopper this year. That normally doesn't happen, but hey, it is what it is. Travel's getting nothing this time. Home decor, nothing. Gifts, it's going to get 50. Have to get a few more things. Hopefully I don't overspend, but we shall see. Now that's 70. 70, and that's getting 2 20s and a 10. This should equal out to 70, 20, 40, 60, 70. Self-care, nothing. Business, nothing. Car registration. I believe I'm going to add the $2 that I'm supposed to have left. I'm going to go ahead and add that. I still can't believe I forgot to write down nails, y'all. It's like, how did that happen? So I should have $2 left. So that's 28. It's going to add $2 to that. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I didn't do a cash stuffing 2 weeks ago. I was just, honestly, I just wasn't in the mood at all. Okay. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the money I'm supposed to add towards. Yep. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 57, 58, 59, 60. So there you go. There's my nail money. I'm just going to add that. Well, I'm glad it's still equaled out, y'all. I'm glad I didn't have to go back and recalculate everything, subtract something, add something. So, cool beans. And with this, I'm going to add it to a credit card bill. I'm really trying to pay these credit cards down. I'm so tired of being in debt, y'all. I just wish I could hit the lottery and just be out of debt. Wouldn't that be lovely? All right, so that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Leave comments if you like. And I hope y'all have a good holiday. Happy New Year. And I will see y'all guys on my next one. Bye.